unique New York, unique New York. Bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee. What's up guys, Robeytech here, and Zotac partnered with Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, and today we are going to be checking out their new exclusive...
They're not here yet.
What's not here yet?
The GPUs.
Okay, if the movie is coming out exclusive in theaters on June 2nd, okay, have we gotten anything yet?
So Jason sent a video.
Okay.
And we did get this box of figurines.
Oh, okay, well, you can't do a build with these, but these do look pretty cool. Can we bring up the video? Does it show the GPUs?
It does.
Okay, well, I haven't seen the GPUs. Let me take a look at that, and oh, these are actually pretty cool.
Here, check this out. Look at this.
Whoa, pause. Are these?
Yes, yeah, they did such a good job.
Oh, these are cool. I wonder.
Holy
The Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Amp Aero uses the same cutting-edge cooling technology carried over from their flagship 4090 series GPU. The special edition 4070 Ti and 4070 version of this card powers the hero in you with a Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse magnetic backplate. Adorned with 8 neodymium rare earth magnets, this precision cut plate has a special design for the 4070 and 4070 Ti. They also give you Zotac or Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse themed self-applied stickers to put on the fans as well. And this is the Zotac Gaming 4070 Twin Edge overclock Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse model. With a reduced 2.2 slot size, this is a compact and powerful graphics card for those who want to build an SFF gaming PC capable of high frame rates in the latest title releases, either with a 4070 or 4060 Ti variant. Just like the Amp Aero models, you also get a magnetic backplate and stickers for the fans. So, choose the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse Zotac bundle that best powers the build you want. Now today, we're going to be using the 4070 Ti Amp Aero, which, okay, by the way, to set the record straight, she said, holy spider powers, Robeytech. Get your minds out of the gutter. This is a family-friendly show. The best way to show off the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse inspired Zotac 4070 Ti Amp Aero is just to do an epic build. And I mean, I have everything I need right here, thanks to NZXT, Kingston, and Intel. Well, let's do it. Here we have Intel's Core i7-13700K, which is perfect to push 1440p at the highest graphical settings and frame rates along with this RTX 4070 Ti. We partnered with Kingston for storage and RAM. I'm installing a 2TB KC3000 drive and 32 gigs of Kingston Fury DDR5 at 6000 mega transfer. That's plenty of storage and a perfect RAM pairing for this kind of build. We are using the clean aesthetic of the NZXT N7 Z790 motherboard to keep the focus on this awesome GPU while ensuring we get all the latest bells and whistles from Intel's latest flagship chipset.
Motherboard looks so good. We're ready for that case.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna put the lights away. We're gonna change up the set and keep on building.
Okay, yeah, awesome. I'll get the case where did I put the case? The case was right here. Where is the case?
Stop Spider-Man!
Great. Got the case. Here's the motherboard. Huh. That looks really good. I wonder where he got that.
Cooling this 13700K, we are using the Kraken Elite 360, featuring the latest technology in cooling from NZXT. With the LCD screen, it's gonna open up a ton of options for the design. No Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse build would be complete without RGB, of course. And that's where Lee and Lee jumped in. We're using these SL120 Infinity fans and the Lee and Lee streamers for both the 24-pin and the brand new 16-pin power cable for the latest 40 series GPUs. Finally, the rig here is powered by the ROG Strix 750 watt PSU and it now sits inside of a completed NZXT H7 Elite case in white. What an epic collaboration. And don't miss out on watching Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, which landed exclusively in theaters on June 2nd. Now, if you love the build we built and want to power the hero in you, grab the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX Amp Aero in either the RTX 4070 Ti or 4070 options, as well as the GeForce RTX Twin Edge OC as either a 4070 or 4060 Ti, all available for a limited time over at Zotac.com. Now, if you want to replicate this build, guess what? We have the entire parts list as well as the graphics down in the description below. So, huge shout out to Intel, Kingston, Lee & Lee, NZXT, and finally Zotac and Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse for supporting this video. Now, if you loved it and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video like this. Also, you can find me at Robeytech absolutely everywhere on all the social media platforms. So, that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.